Today we are going to be making mango ice cream. This homemade ice cream recipe is so easy and is one of our favorite recipes. So if you like mango or like ice cream, you'll not want to miss the rest of this video. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Okay, so we have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream here, and we're gonna whip this up until there are tough peaks. Let's put this on high speed. Okay, so the whipped cream has come to tough peaks, and we're gonna add 150 ml or 5 ounces of condensed milk. Alright, let's give this a quick mix until everything is nice and combined. Alright, now for the special ingredient to make it a mango ice cream, we're gonna add in 2/3 of a cup of pureed mangoes. And let's mix this. Alright, let's transfer this into a bowl. Okay, so we're gonna cover this. And we are gonna go ahead and pop this in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. Alright, before we get into the reveal of our mango ice cream, if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like learning simplified dessert recipes, then consider subscribing to our channel.